2018 Kawasaki Vulcan S motorcycle. It's been 2 months since I've installed my Vikingbags onto my motorcycle, and I just wanted to share an update with you guys. Installation is pretty simple. I had help from my dad and my uncle to install these onto my bike, and we didn't have prior experience to this. When I first bought my motorcycle, there was no saddlebags on it at all. I didn't like the ones that were available. I thought they were a little ugly, but I love how the Vikingbags look and how they're super functional. The bags are waterproof and they're made from leather. Also key-lockable, so you can feel safe when you step away from your bike. And it had so much room in here too. And there's also pockets here to organize your belongings. This light comes with your Vikingbags as well, so it's nice so you can see your stuff at night. And it also comes with a power bank to keep all your stuff charged. These bags hold so much space, and I was able to take my motorcycle to the gym for the first time a few weeks ago, and I was able to fit all my gym clothes and everything I needed. This is how I lock it up when I step away from my bike, and that's it. Taken my motorcycle out on multiple group rides to test out the saddlebags, and I've gotten so many compliments from other riders, and it's so nice to be able to put my stuff in here when I get to the destination. And then I also can put my friends' stuff in here too sometimes when I have extra space. Definitely click on the link below to get yours today, and let me know what you guys think.